Hi there.
Guess where we are?
Guess where we are. Look back behind me. Look at the mountains. We are in New Mexico. We are actually in Mora, New Mexico. Getting ready to turn off of 518 and go up into the mountains to Angel Fire.
Look at that. Actually, like snow-capped mountains.
We've been driving since 5:30 this morning. It's 12:48 Central Time, which is 11:48 Mountain Time. We've been driving, so we've been driving 7 hours, a little over 7 hours. And we're coming into Mora. Going to turn on 434, is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Whoops, had a little problem there.
Whoa, like collapsed under the snow.
Angel Fire, 434.
Whoa, kind of zoomed in on you, Dad, sorry.
Oh, it's alright.
Got a little bit of ear.
We just turned on a little bitty road.
With mountains in the distance.
My goodness, look at this barn. That's a great barn. Yep, we're driving right up into those mountains.
I'll come back in a minute and show you what they look like from the inside. Okay, I just want to shoot this. This is just so beautiful.
But as I was saying, there doesn't seem to be a lot of snow. We need snow.
There will be. We're just not in the snow part yet.
Or a National Fish Hatchery right there somewhere.
Sorry if it's a little bumpy, folks. It's kind of hard to manage in the car.
Save tape.
Okay, we're saving
34.
Oh wait, it just turned on. So we are on
430. We are on 434, which is a tiny little road that's following this creek, this beautiful creek.
It's half frozen over.
Yeah. Now we're going to go over the creek.
Yeah. Move over, Dad.
There, see the little creek. Now look down the other way.
Beautiful little creek. Beautiful place.
We're on a little bitty road that's taking us into the back side of Angel Fire.
Path untraveled.
Well, somebody traveled it because they paved it, but
Well,
the road less traveled.
and there's just these stands of trees and turns, just turny. Oh, look at this. Oh. Windy roads.
Okay, turn it on.
Okay. I just wanted to show you all this beautiful, beautiful scenery that this wonderful little trail has to offer. Okay, so say goodbye, Dad.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, we're at Angel Fire. We've been skiing. We've been doing all kinds of stuff. This is our second full day here. And the girls, I'm breathing heavily because I just walked up the hill. Go up there with her. Oh, okay. Let's try it. Go ahead. Go ahead. So Emily and Tori are gonna, what are you gonna do?
snow slide.
They're gonna snow sled, snow slide. They're gonna slide down that hill there on a saucer.
Saucer.
Saucer? Yeah.
That's scary.
Where's she at?
She's right there. See her?
She's up there. Oh! That's pretty quick. Wow. Wow.
That was so slide.
We need to find us a little spot where you don't go to the road.
I know. Wow. I know. Wow.
Well, that's good as one of those blue trails up there on the mountain.
Victoria, when you get down here to the bottom, you need to slip off of it so you don't go flying into the street. Okay? Okay, or we'll be crushed mashed potatoes.
Let me see if we can go down together.
Oh.
Okay. You can go down by yourself?
She's gonna go down by herself.
All right. That was pretty quick, wasn't it?
Invigorating.
Here, let's
expect
look
that at
out
all.
over. That's actually our condos right down there where we're staying. That's Wheeler Mountain off in the background. Still got a little sunshine on it. Let's go back here, see if she's up on the little hill yet. Oh, she's up there. That's probably good enough, Tori.
You can ski from there.
Get over here.
Get where the ice is. I'm gonna get over here so.
Let's try and catch her. She's coming right down to us. Whoa, there she goes. Well, hi there. That's pretty good. That looked fun.
Let's go. That was so bad. Watch it.
Do you like that, Tori?
Yeah.
That's good.
I got like snow on my shoes. That was really cool.
They were kind of moving there, weren't they? Zoom in. That was a quick zoom. Sorry about that. At the top of the hill. Today is New Year's Eve 2000. All right. Here they come. Was that fun?
Yeah, but scary too.
That looked like a pretty good ride.
Yeah, but scary. You want to try?
We need somebody at the bottom to stop us.
Let me try it.
You wanna go?
Yeah, I want to go.
I'll shoot, okay?
You gonna videotape me?
Of course.
You videotape me bouncing down the hill? Okay, it's
sorry.
still running.
Okay. It's running. Sorry about the bumpy ride here, folks. Okay. There he goes.
Turn it off when I start looking silly now.
I'll turn it off when you get in the road, okay? There he goes. Did you like that, Victoria? Is that
Yeah, but scary too.
fun? Yeah. Because see, you go down,
2 feet
and then
from
there's the road. And there's cars going on the road, and that's scary.
I know.
There's some more people, and he's getting to the top.
Yay!
I would zoom, but I can't get my finger on it. I got these huge gloves on, so. Okay. Here he goes. Going down. Coming down. Coming down.
Wow.
Wow. Good job.
That was fun, huh?
Yeah.
My turn.
It's my turn to go alone, and then you go alone, and then we go together, then Dad goes. Like that, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, wait a minute. Quit recording for a minute. Come here. Look at that. Say bye.
Bye.
All right. Get over in the middle.
Get over, Victoria. Scoot over that way.
Victoria. She was pulled it between her
Okay, now
legs.
you can come down.
All right, here comes Victoria. Here comes Victoria right at us. Here she comes. Here she comes. Pretty fun.
Okay. Now we go together.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, I need to catch you then, huh?
Yes. You have to catch us, so you have to turn off the camera.
Okay, say bye
Or
again.
you can just go, ding. I was
Guess you know what day it is already. Okay, they're gonna come right down at me, and then I'm gonna try and stop the camera. Hold on, I gotta move the camera a little bit. Sorry. All right, here they come. Come on.